sun. That sunny, that are sunny. Ja. That is sun. That is sun. Sun rays directly fall. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Because Tropic of Cancer is the Tropic of Cancer is such a line in which the sun's rays directly or perpendicularly falls on 21st June. And 21st June, which is the largest day in the northern hemisphere. 21st June is the largest day in northern hemisphere. What's the reason behind it? Because you are seeing the sun's rays is perpendicularly fall on Tropic of Cancer on 21st June in northern hemisphere. That's why 21st June is the largest day in northern hemisphere. In another phase, you are seeing that the lines is coming from the sun. This is the line which is coming from the sun and bend towards Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn, which is called Makar Rekha in Hindi. Makar Rekha. In Hindi, we can say it Makar Rekha. Makar Rekha, Tropic of Capricorn, which is 23 degree, 1 upon 2, 1 half 2. And Tropic of Cancer, which is 23 degree, 1 upon 2. Both are the same. Both degrees are the same. You are seeing the both degrees are the same. The lines is drawing on Tropic of Cancer the 22 December, which is the shortest day in northern hemisphere. 22 December is the shortest day in northern hemisphere because the sun rays is perpendicularly fall on Tropic of Cancer, which is popularly known as winter solstice. Winter solstice in northern hemisphere, while the Tropic of Cancer is the summer solstice. Summer solstice in northern hemisphere because the sun rays is perpendicular fall on Tropic of Cancer. So these are the two lines in which the sun's rays falls on Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Another, the condition of southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere, you are seeing the sun's rays is directly fall on Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. On 22 December is the largest day in the southern hemisphere. The days are long and nights are short. That's why it is reverse. Because in 21st June, the sun's rays falls on Tropic of Cancer, which is the largest day in the northern hemisphere, while it reverse the Tropic of Cancer, the sun's rays on 22 December falls in the southern hemisphere. When the rays falls on Tropic of Cancer on 22 December, this is the largest day in the southern hemisphere, while Tropic of Capricorn, which is winter solstice, Tropic of Capricorn, winter solstice. 21st June is the shortest day in southern hemisphere. The days are short and nights are long because the Tropic of Cancer is reverse. Tropic of Capricorn is winter solstice in northern hemisphere, and when the sun's rays falls on Tropic of Capricorn on 21st June is the northern hemisphere, while the Tropic of Capricorn falls the sun's rays falls on Tropic of Capricorn on 21st June. When 21st June the sun's rays falls on the Tropic of Cancer, This is popularly known as winter solstice in southern hemisphere. So friends, you can understand both the figures and understand the concept of summer solstice and winter solstice. So I hope you can understand both clearly understand the topic of Cancer and topic of Capricorn. Both both these lines are very important to understand the concept of long days and short days. You have to remember two things. First thing is that when sun's rays falls on tropic of Cancer on 21st June in northern hemisphere. This is the largest day. While in reverse condition, when the 21st June, the tropic, the sun's rays falls on tropic of Cancer. 21st June, the sun's rays falls on the tropic of Capricorn. This is the largest day. This is the shortest day. Shortest day in the shortest day in the southern hemisphere. While the tropic of Cancer, the sun's rays falls on the 22 December in the southern hemisphere. This is the largest day. While the sun's rays falls on the Capricorn, tropic of Capricorn on 21st June. This is the shortest day in southern hemisphere. So I hope you understand the concept. So please like my video, and I will, if you like my video, I will provide you more information about the Indian geography and suns and the stars and planets, all the astronomical point of geography which is beneficial for your competitive exams. So please like it. Thank you.